discuss the possible factors that inhibit India from enacting for its citizens a uniform civil code as provided for in the Directive Principles of State Policy. 200 words, 12.5 marks. Introduction. A Uniform Civil Code, UCC, is a common set of laws that would govern personal matters like marriage, divorce, inheritance, and maintenance for all citizens in India, regardless of religion or community. Article 44 of the Indian Constitution promotes the idea of a UCC as part of the Directive Principles of State Policy. Body. Factors inhibiting UCC implementation. Religious diversity and personal laws. India has many religions, each with its own personal laws. Many people strongly value their religious customs, leading to concerns that a UCC could infringe on their rights. Political considerations. Political parties often use religious sentiments to gain votes, resulting in a lack of political will to enact a UCC, as it may alienate their support base. Constitutional provisions. While Article 44 encourages a UCC, Article 25 guarantees religious freedom, creating a conflict between implementing a UCC and respecting religious rights. Fear of majoritarianism. Minority communities may view a UCC as the imposition of the majority's norms, causing resistance to the idea. Lack of consensus. Finding agreement on a UCC that respects the diverse customs of all religious communities is challenging, particularly in ensuring gender justice and equality. Judicial approach. The judiciary has often taken a cautious approach, making small changes to personal laws rather than advocating for a comprehensive UCC. Sociocultural factors. Deeply rooted societal norms and cultural practices pose significant barriers to accepting a new legal framework. Conclusion. Implementing a UCC in India is complex due to these factors. The challenge lies in balancing the country's religious and cultural diversity while ensuring justice, equality, and gender parity for all citizens.